The musical alphabet features 7 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let's say those letters together. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Those 7 letters are the only letters used in the entire musical alphabet. Because what makes the musical alphabet different from the regular alphabet is that it only uses those first 7 letters, and not all 26 letters. But just because there are only 7 letters used, doesn't mean there are only 7 pitches, sounds, or notes. As when we go through the alphabet and then arrive at G, our next letter is not going to be H or I or J, but instead, we start the alphabet or pattern over again and go right back to A, continuing a cycle of repeating A to G over and over and over again. So let's practice that by saying the alphabet together, but going back to A instead of H. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That might feel a little weird at first, but you'll get used to it. Let's say it backwards now. So we're still starting on A and ending on A, but going through everything else in reverse order. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now that we've covered all of that, the next thing we need to mention when talking about the musical alphabet is when we go forwards through the alphabet, A to G, the pitch or sound gets higher with each letter. And then when we go backwards through the alphabet, G to A, the pitch or sound will get lower with each letter. So put all together, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G all climbing the ladder with the pitch getting higher and higher. And then we have G, F, E, D, C, B, and A all going down the ladder with the pitch getting lower and lower each time. If you want to watch more music lessons for beginners, make sure you click one of the videos on the left side of your screen to continue your journey. And hey, if you want to see more content like this, then click the profile icon on the right side of your screen to subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss another video. Until then though, I hope you have a great week and happy practicing.